Hello there, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we've been getting ready the next class, which is the third class out of 5 classes that we are launching very soon. So right now we have 13 videos already, and so this is the first class. Let me just close this and this. So the first class was how to become a LinkedIn All-Star. There were 9 videos here, as you have seen. And now the second class we have becoming a LinkedIn All-Star, and there are 19 videos. And now we have about 13 videos so far and a few others we're going to add to this very soon. So maybe we'll come to about 15 to 20 videos. We're not really sure at this point. We're still working on it. This video will be talking about LinkedIn accomplishments. So let me just go to my LinkedIn profile here. Great. So we have done intro, background, and skills, and we are now in the accomplishments section. Here we have publications, certifications, patents, courses, projects, honors and awards, test scores, languages, and organizations. You will find a video on each of these sections in the course, and this is what we are working on producing and sharing with you what we have learned as we put this together, putting together an all-star LinkedIn profile, which is what we want you to have. We want you to have an all-star LinkedIn profile so that you get a couple thousand search appearances each month, as well as be able to see how many people visit your profile, get lots of post views, as well as search appearances like we mentioned already. So in this, we'll be adding a lot of sections and going through each of these. We're going to go through each of these profile sections. We're going to, in the videos, we will see that I will be clicking on the plus and then adding each of these sections, showing you how to do so. So the more sections you have, the better. So let me just go down to my accomplishments section. Let me just scroll past everything here. And here we have this major section here. As you can see, it is broken apart from the other section. This section is recommendations. You see there's a break in this, and before this is the skills and endorsements, which is another section that we will be discussing very soon in one of the videos. Let me just go back to the first section. So this first section is here as a profile, image, and everything we talked about before in the introduction section, and the bio, as well as some images here. And then there's activity and the article section, experience section. Experience section is pretty important. And then after that, we have the skills and endorsements section, and then recommendations section, as well as accomplishments. So this video, the rest of, I guess, in this third class out of 5, we are focusing on this section. So let me just scroll down to this. So class 1, we have the 9 plus videos. Then we have the 19 plus videos here. And then this is the third class, which is focusing on skills, accomplishments, overview, publications, certifications, patents, courses, projects, honors and awards, test scores, languages, organizations, and additional information. And I'll do another overview video, just like I'm doing here. This video is the overview video. There's going to be another overview video when we start to discuss the additional information section. And then I'm going to do a bonus video on LinkedIn networking, how to network on LinkedIn, and as well as going to be bonus videos where I walk you through, for example, adding Fiverr as a new professional experience. I use Fiverr as an example because I don't have it on my profile yet, even though I've been with them for over a year. Um, Test scores, how to add test scores, adding test scores to LinkedIn test scores, the section, and languages, and then recommendations. So I'll be filling this up so that we have a robust and complete um, class, uh, starting with skills, accomplishments, as well as some additional information. And if in case you're wondering what that is, I'm just going to go up again and just show you what class 3 is all about, and make sure that you've seen the other classes as well. But skills is the 50 skills. There's a video about 50 skills, which I already have. And then the accomplishments is, like I said, publications, certifications, patents, courses, projects, honors and awards, test scores, languages, organizations, and additional information is this section here, which is basically recommending others as well as requesting recommendations from others. And then in class 4 or 5, uh, we'll be exploring supported languages and additional material such as these, right? And class projects. And then class 5, we'll be doing some FAQs as well as bonus videos. So stay tuned. This is, like I said, this is the third class out of 5, and this is the first one. I will relabel them very soon, but this is the first one, how to become a LinkedIn All-Star, as well as number 2, class number 2 is becoming a LinkedIn All-Star. So I hope you enjoy this and the rest of the classes and courses we are creating very soon, starting with LinkedIn, and then we're going to add Facebook and Instagram and a few other classes we're working on, as well as a whole bunch of coding classes very soon. So this concludes this video. I hope you enjoy this and the rest of it, and you look forward to seeing you in class 3, 4, and 5, as well as class 1 and 2 for sure. So bye for now. I'll see you in the other classes. Take care.